Not long ago, Binance Staking introduced its first high-yield staking offer, allowing crypto fanatics to earn as much as 37.49% yield annually. But what precisely is cryptocurrency staking? Join us as we explain the entire concept. Hello, and welcome to Upstep Financial. Today, we will take a closer look at staking on Binance, so buckle up. But before we go any further, don't forget to like and share this video. Crypto staking is the process of securing cryptocurrency assets to gain incentives or interest on the investment. Coins and other digital assets are created using blockchain technology, which verifies cryptographic transactions and stores the results of those verifications on a public ledger, known as the blockchain. Staking is another term that describes the process of validating transactions on the blockchain. It may be argued that staking your cryptocurrency with a specific proof-of-stake method is comparable to proof-of-work mining, since it helps the system's privacy and operation in general. However, the difference between staking and mining is that staking requires less resource consumption. The only thing you need to do is lock your cryptocurrency in a staking wallet while you get incentives in return. When investors actively hold onto or protect their cryptocurrency assets in their crypto wallets, they engage in the consensus-taking processes of the networks they are investing in. In other words, stakers are in the business of approving and confirming blockchain transactions. The platforms compensate those who participate in this way. The special prizes will vary according to the network. Perhaps it would be good to think of crypto staking like putting money into a savings account. Interest is paid to depositors while a financial institution holds their cash as a reward for allowing them to use their funds for other purposes like lending. By this comparison, staking coins is identical to accruing interest in banks. But there are advantages and disadvantages to cryptocurrency staking. Staking coins is a passive kind of investment, and there are few risks associated with it. However, it is beneficial to consider the block rewards linked with the staking coins you own and the instability of cryptocurrency in general. If the currency's worth declines, its profitability will be influenced as less interest is generated. Before we get into some examples of crypto staking, let us do a quick recap of what Binance is. Cryptocurrencies are becoming increasingly popular as an investment vehicle. As a result, different decentralized applications and cryptocurrency exchanges provide services that allow you to earn interest in your cryptocurrency holdings. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange that is one of the most extensively used worldwide today. In addition to providing you with the ability to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, Binance also provides a savings option by which you can generate a return on your cryptocurrency. Binance is an online exchange where users can trade cryptocurrencies. It supports the most commonly traded cryptocurrencies. It also provides a crypto wallet for traders to store their electronic funds. The exchange has supporting services for users to earn interest or transact using cryptocurrencies. It also offers programs for miners and guidance to help traders make investment decisions. Binance has its own blockchain-based token, Binance Coin. Binance provides a variety of options for staking your coin. Here are a few examples of them. Number 1. DeFi staking on Binance. Decentralized finance programs have not been broadly accepted due to a combination of factors. The most significant is a lack of knowledge and awareness, and a confusing and challenging user interface. This is why Binance developed decentralized finance staking, which allows proxy users to engage in related decentralized projects by using a cryptocurrency. This makes it possible for consumers to access DeFi in an easy and user-friendly manner. Participation in DeFi staking is possible without the need to handle private keys, acquire resources, conduct trades, or complete any other time-consuming processes required to engage in other cryptocurrencies. Participants in DeFi staking initiatives can earn substantial profits by just clicking on the Stake Now button. However, DeFi staking can be risky, and as a result, Binance carefully evaluates their DeFi staking partnerships to reduce the dangers their consumers are exposed to. Furthermore, Even though DeFi staking on Binance offers significant annual percentage yields, there is still a risk of losing money because Binance is not liable for any on-chain smart contract security vulnerabilities. Number 2. Activities. Binance Savings activities are one-time events that appear now and then under the Activities page. These are typically limited in quantity, so you will need to act quickly to get your hands on one. They have the potential to provide even better profits than locked savings accounts typically do. After the announcement of Binance Savings activities, keep in mind that there will be a period of preparation before the activities begin. Once the buying process begins, you will be able to select the item you want to acquire. Using the Activities tool on the Binance exchange, you can earn incentives for staking a specific cryptocurrency for a specified period. For example, in the case of BEL, a 15-day staking duration might be combined with an annualized interest rate of, say, 18%. Because staking possibilities for activities do not remain indefinitely, once the 15-day period has expired, the staking procedure comes to an end. You may find these incentives on the Activities area of the Binance website, which changes monthly. Number 3. ETH 2.0 staking on Binance. With the ETH 2.0 staking option on Binance, you can stake your Ethereum for an extended period while earning rewards. The process is straightforward. Open the Binance smartphone application, select More, and scroll down to Finance. Because you are staking Ethereum on the Binance Smart Chain network, your ETH will be transferred to Beacon ETH, which is a blockchain-enabled asset that represents your Ethereum stake in the system. BETH is capable of completing all operations that ETH can perform, and you can exchange your BETH for ETH in an equal ratio. Interest rates earned by staking your ETH on the ETH 2.0 staking function depend on the number of people staking at any given point in time. Ethereum 2.0 validators are obliged to stake a minimum of 32 Ethereum to be accepted into the network. In exchange, you will contribute to the network's success and gain benefits. To finance the node running costs, you will need the bare minimum of stake, hardware equipment, and other assets. You should also consider extra hazards, such as the possibility of a lengthy lockup period to perform the ETH 2.0 software update. Participating in Ethereum staking is not straightforward, and it carries significant risks. We have made it halfway through the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notification bell to keep up with the latest crypto news. Number 4. Locked savings in Binance. Locking your assets on Binance for a variable interest rate, depending on the number of days they remain untouched on the exchange, is an option you may take advantage of. In the case of BUSD, USDC, or USDT, you can lock your assets in for 7 days at a 4.5% annual interest rate, or for 90 days at a 5.1% yearly interest rate. Number 5. Binance Vault. Next on our list is Binance Vault, a tool that allows you to generate money from your Binance coin holdings with a single click. With an intuitive user interface, it is a capital-guaranteed investment product that is simple to use. The integration of numerous Binance products within the Binance ecosystem can assist customers in optimizing their potential revenue from centralized and decentralized finance. Additionally, it enables Binance holders to increase their profits and reap the total rewards of every opportunity that comes their way. By using Binance Vault, you may have your Binance holdings dynamically allocated among a variety of different products to help you optimize your possible benefits with just a single click. Simply navigate to the Binance Coin Vault portion of the platform to lock your Binance coin and receive an annual percentage yield. The annual percentage yield is established by the generating opportunities available on the site. Fundamentally, the Binance Vault functions very much like a profit booster, collecting your assets and investing them in areas that provide an assured yield, like the launch pool or flexible savings. Number 6. Binance Launchpad. Binance Launchpad was the first exchange to use the initial exchange offering method, allowing crypto startups to raise funding through a cryptocurrency trading platform. Several projects are featured on the Binance Launchpad from time to time, allowing its users to stake their coins in exchange for rewards. The list of available projects for staking is also updated daily. The Binance Launchpad token launch platform assists blockchain projects in raising financing and broadening their influence throughout the cryptocurrency community. They accomplish this by making a project's tokens available to up to 10 million users on the Binance exchange. Using this platform, Binance allows its consumers to be involved in possibly game-changing projects. But there is more to Binance Launchpad than just token sales. This also includes a comprehensive advising service for initiatives that will benefit from their knowledge and experience. Binance makes it possible for projects to devote their efforts where it counts, on improving their product and driving adoption. Overall, a broad range of opportunities is presented by the function of staking on Binance. But users must research and evaluate all of the options offered on the site, as well as the level of risk connected with each of these possibilities. That is all for today's video. I hope you learned something new about staking and saving on Binance. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel to see more videos about cryptocurrencies. We appreciate your time and interest and hope to see you back here soon for another episode.